Today is 1st March 2016, and this is the second episode of Let's Learn Our Quran. Today we are going to cover the first word, that is Iqra. This is in chapter 96 verse 1. Iqra is the very first word revealed to our Prophet. We are covering only the first word. We have already covered the second one in the first episode. So do watch it if you have missed it. Now the traditional translation of Iqra bismi rabbikal ladzi khalaq, recite in the name of your Lord who created. Let's dive deeper. Qara'a origin is Aramaic or Hebrew. So Qara'a means read, call, announce, proclaim. A hamza before any verb converts it into a command or an order. This means that Iqra becomes to order, to call, to announce, or to proclaim. Let's look at the first meaning, that is read. Very important point here is we can only read the stuff which is written, which means Allah revealed the Quran in a written form to our Prophet. Pause the video here and think over it. So you decide whether you want to believe the word of Allah or anybody else's. It's totally up to you, your choice. In Arabic language, Qara'a is also used when female's period is over, which means egg is ready and the next phase of life can start. So Allah has provided us with His book. Now it depends on us to make an effort for it. In short, new life is ours if we are willing to do our part. Combining all of the above, so Qara'a process flows like this. It starts by reading, which results in thinking, which results in a change, a shift from old thinking, old habits, old mindset to a new thinking, new habits, new actions. Basically, a start of a new you, new birth. And once we realize the benefits, we want to share the results with everyone, so we reach out and call other people to join in. First the Prophet and then us believers. Allah ordered us to do Qara'a for His brand or do Qara'a with His brand. By saying that the brand is for a Rabb, it implies that the brand will serve all of His creation, not affiliated with any single race, nation, color, creed, or banner. Our Prophet made this brand a reality. He fulfilled His Qara'a. Now this duty is on us, all believers. To summarize, three words: Iqra bismi rabbik, do Qara'a, which is for brand or with brand. Why should I do it? For the brand, or how should I do it? With brand. And whose brand is it? Of your Rabb, that's Rabbika. From Rabb onward we will discuss sometime later. So Allah has beautifully encapsulated all of this into a single word, Iqra. Thank you for your time. Decide to see next Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim ISM brand explained into detail, or Rabb. Let me know your feedback by commenting. Share it if you like.